Yep, well, here it comes. Here comes a semi this way, or is this a? Yep, this is a semi coming this way. So I didn't see the pilot car, but I guess the pilot car came through already. Yep. So they're letting the traffic through. So it's been about 4 minutes, I'm gonna say, that I've been waiting here. And so I think these other cars, I'm gonna probably estimate this at about maybe 6 minutes, maybe. Yep, there's the pilot car turning around. So it's a little bit shorter today. Normally it's around 8. It's been about 8 minute wait before. If you look at my last videos, yeah, it was. And I know it can change at any given time, as we know, from construction. But I'm gonna say that was shorter, like 6 minutes. So at this time now, it's 9:42 a.m. and it's May 7, 2024. So I'm going to say it was about 6 minutes. Normally it's about 8 minutes, like 8 to 10 minutes, but that was